Hello everyone, this is Open Gyan House, and in this video I will talk about Ubuntu installation in Virtualbox. So if you want to install Ubuntu 20.04 release, so this video will definitely help you. So first you have to download the ISO file of Ubuntu from official website, and once you have the ISO file then you can configure your Virtualbox for Ubuntu installation. So in this video I will share all the steps that you have to follow if you want to install Ubuntu in Virtualbox. And if you suppose you want to install Ubuntu in laptop, so this will also easy. So you have to just create one bootable USB from the ISO file using the software, and once you created the bootable USB then you can easily install Ubuntu in a laptop as well. So for downloading the image, you have to Google for Ubuntu 20.04 ISO release, and once you search for it, so it will show you some result with release.ubuntu.com official website. So just click here, and once you are at release.ubuntu.com website, so you can see there are two options. Option one for your desktop image and the other option for your server image. So if you want to install for your desktop and you want the UI interface, so let's go with it. And if you want to install for your server, so you can use this image. So here I have downloaded the desktop image, and the image size is around 2.5 GB. So as I have already downloaded the ISO file from internet, so I can start with installation. So just open your VirtualBox and you have to click on new, and here you have to provide your VM name. So let me provide the name Ubuntu here, and you can change the path in which path you have to save your VM. And this is for type, so my VM type is Linux and the version is 64-bit. So just click on next, and here you have to provide the size of RAM that you want to allocate. So I will go with 2 GB. You can choose one if you have less RAM in your laptop. And here I have to create one disk, so VDI disk is fine for me, and this is for dynamic allocation of the disk size. So I'm using 30 GB for this VM. And once I have done this configuration, so you can see the Ubuntu is here. Okay, so now you have to go to the setting again, and here you have to select the ISO file of Ubuntu which we have downloaded. So go to the storage option and click here, and here you can choose a file. So go to choose a disk file, and from here you can select the ISO image which we have downloaded. Okay, so I have already select the Ubuntu image here. So you can make this change, and if you want to create 2 or 3 network cards, so go to the network, and here you can enable the different network card for your VM. Okay, like as we have already configured the RAM, hard disk and ISO in this Ubuntu VM, so now we can click on start button, and once we click on start button, so the installation will start automatically from the ISO file. Okay, so installation is started here. So I have selected the English language and just click on install Ubuntu button. Now it is asking for keyboard layout, so just select the keyboard type. So I'm selecting the English US. The next option is update another software, so I will go with the normal installation. And so this option have web browser utility and office software, game and media. And if you want manual installation, so you can select this option as well. So just click on continue as per your need. So now the other option is installation type. So we have two options. The option one is erase disk and install Ubuntu, so it will delete all the existing data from disk. And if you want to install Ubuntu separately, so just select something else and click on continue. Okay, so now you can see I have 30 GB free space for partitioning. So I need to click on the plus button, and I will make only one partition, which is slash. If you want to create other partitions, so you can make it, and you can also use the file system which you want. So generally in Linux, ext4 and xfs is widely used, and if you want to create the logical volume, so you can also do this, and just click on OK, and you can see the root partition is created here. So partitioning is done, and you can see now there is no free volume for partitioning, and I have the partition which is XFS type, and the mount point is slash. And You can see all the disk is used here. Now you have to click on the install now button. Once you click on install now, so it will show you some warning, so just skip it and go with the continue. I am making this video from India, so I selected my time zone, which is GMT plus 5:30 Kolkata, and now I have to click on continue. So here you have to provide one user info. So let me provide my name. So let me provide name Ravi, and if you want to create any user, so you can create it. So my favorite user is Open Gyan House. So let me create with this name. So the installation is already started here, and the file is getting copy from the ISO, and we have already done all the configuration. So this process will take around 10 to 15 minutes, and I don't want you guys to wait here for 10 to 15 minutes in this video, so I'm just pausing this video. You can see the installation is done here, and once the installation is completed, then it will ask to restart the system now. So let me restart. So now you can see my Ubuntu VM is installed successfully. Okay, so let me provide the username Open Gyan House, and now it will ask for password, and here I am able to log in first time it will ask for some account, so let me skip this setting, and once I skip it, then I can start using this Ubuntu. This is my Ubuntu VM, so let's open it. So this is my terminal, and let's run some Linux command. So yeah, you can see the installation is done here, and you can configure like apt-get as once your internet setting is done. And this is it about the Ubuntu installation. So guys, if you refer this video, so you can install your own Ubuntu VM in Virtualbox. Okay, so as I mentioned, if you want to install Ubuntu in your laptop, so you need bootable USB. So you can use this application to make your USB as a bootable. So you need the ISO file, and once you select the ISO file, then you can burn it using the start button. And once you burn the ISO file, then you can use this bootable USB for Ubuntu installation in laptop. So you have to reboot your laptop or desktop, and then you have to go to your boot option, and there you have to select the boot from USB, and then you can start with the Ubuntu installation. And the installation step is almost same. You have to follow the instruction that I have shared in this video. So guys, hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.